Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we have a new topic. In this topic we will learn and discuss how you can earn money from home. How to make money from home. So there are the different ways in this technological duration. You can in this era you can earn money from the different ways, like you can do the things while using internet or while using physical market or any store. You can make things at home and sell there, or you can provide if you don't have access or capital to invest in any type of goods, or you want to make something uh, related to your uh, services, then you can give services to the other persons. You can take their task and complete their task, and they will pay in return for doing their task. Now first thing we are going to discuss, this video is very interesting for the beginners. So first thing we can discuss is the sell custom products. You can make things customize, you can customize different items and sell them on the different store, like you have eBay, Amazon and other stores. Then next you can choose create a print on the demand business. You can create different types of print, logos and other things on the demand of other people, what they require and what are your expertise in that field. You can choose a specific field as well. Make a subscription box. You can make a different subscription box on the different videos to join them or to make the different links. Sell on marketplace. Yes, you can sell different things on a marketplace where you can have different types of shops where you can put your product and sell there, or you can do the services or provide services. Sell digital products. You can do develop apps, you can make different types of facilities for them. This is best for you that you can do without investing, but there will be little bit expertise you require. Then is the sell your creative work. If you want to do some creativity, then you can sell your product on the different stores, like you have a creativity to of the drawing or designing or logos or something else, any type of creativity that can people that people can make their interest, and then you can earn money. And monetize an audience. Yes, you can make different channels, or you can monetize different types of audience, that what audience like and what audience can be what they like and what type of your products or services should be. Become a freelancer. Yes, in freelancing, nowadays freelancing is a good business for making online money. You can make online money by adopting different methods, by providing different services on the different platforms. People pay you for your time, your words, your watch times, and even for the talking. Become a virtual assistant. Yes, you can be a virtual assistant for any persons. You can manage their accounts, you can manage their different types of data, or you can even websites, yeah, on the different account sources. So you can be a virtual assistant. Become a wrestler. Yes, there is a sport that you can become a wrestler. Reseller, sorry for the word. So you can become a reseller. On different stores you can purchase the things and then sell further. Next on, you can become a reseller. Then create and sell art. You can draw any type of art, any logos, any shape, or you can sell it on the different international and local platforms that are interconnected through the internet. Collect and sell vintage clothing. You can sell different types of fashion items on the different stores, on the different places. Even you can create your own clothing store or brand. Sell photos. You can make the different, or you can do photography of different items like wildlife, like environment, from the mountains or deserts or something, fields or homes or peoples and their activities. You can do any photography and then sell it. Rent your unused space. Yes, you can spare your house for the, if you have a big settlement for your family and you don't have a big family to use all the accommodations or all the area, you can rent out that place. Start a pet business. Yes, you can start a pet business, that is very nowadays in the market. Sell coffee. Build and sell woodwork projects. Test computer numerical control projects. Make candles, make soap, make bath bombs, then make skincare products. Start a good business. Become a tutor. Offer child care. You can, if you are female and you are free at home and you are good in the child caring, you can adopt this profession as well. Thanks for watching my video.